Mathematics 1. Concept of division. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Visualize, represent, and separate objects into groups of equal quantity using concrete objects up to 50. 2. Describe the special facts of division. 3. Do simple division by grouping. What is division? Division is the process of taking a whole item or a set of items and splitting or dividing them into equal groups. Let's have an example. Mike has 6 friends. Mike has 18 cupcakes. He wants to share them equally with his friends. How many cupcakes will each friend get? To share the 18 cupcakes among his 6 friends equally, he gives 1 cupcake to each of his friends. Now, there are still 12 cupcakes are left with him. He gives 1 more cupcake to each of them. Now, 6 cupcakes are still left. Again, he gives 1 more cupcake to each of his 6 friends. This time, there are no more cupcakes left with Mike. Thus, we can say that 18 cupcakes have been shared equally among 6 friends by giving 3 cupcakes to each one of them. What we are doing is called division. This means that 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. It can also be written as 18 divided by 6 equals 3. What are the terms used in division? 18 is the dividend. The dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. 6 is the divisor. The number by which dividend is being divided by is called divisor. 3 is the quotient. The quotient is the result obtained in the division process. Look at the symbol used in division. It is expressed as divided by. Let's have an example. In this example, there are 20 sandwiches, and there are 4 hungry pilots. They want to share the sandwiches equally. We will find out how many sandwiches each pilot can have. Here is the division sentence of the problem. 20 divided by 4 is equal to what number? In this example, the 4 is the divisor. Because 4 is the divisor, we will divide the sandwiches into 4 equal groups. Here are the 4 hungry pilots. Let's give a sandwich to each pilot until the sandwiches are gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each pilot has now 1 sandwich. Let's continue doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell me how many sandwiches each pilot have? Each pilot has 5 sandwiches. Let's have another example. Divide these 9 pieces of donuts equally among 3 groups. In this example, 3 is the divisor. So, we need to divide the donuts into 3 equal groups. Here are the 3 plates. We will simply move the 9 pieces of donuts onto the plates. 1, 2, 3. Each plate has now 1 donut. Again, let's continue distributing the donuts. 1, 2, 3. Keep at it until all donuts are distributed. 1, 2, 3. Each plate has 3 pieces of donuts. Each group has 3 donuts. Therefore, 9 divided 3 is equal to 3. Let's have another example. In this example, there are 25 carrots, and there are 5 rabbits. They want to share the carrots equally. We will find out how many carrots each rabbit can have. Here is the division sentence of the problem. 25 divided by 5 is equal to what number? In this example, the 5 is the divisor. Because 5 is the divisor, we will divide the carrots into 5 equal groups. Here are the 5 cute rabbits. We will simply give a carrot to each rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of the rabbit has now 1 carrot. Again, let's continue distributing the carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep at it until all carrots are distributed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carrots does each rabbit have? Each rabbit has 5 carrots. We will have more examples by using the number line. We have 8 divided by 2, which is equal to what number? We will find the answer by using the number line. We will start at number 8 and count 2 numbers backwards until we get to 0. Each time we count 2 numbers, we will put a dot on the number line to show that we have counted 2. Let's start at 8. Now, we count backwards. 1, 2. Put a dot. 1, 2. Put a dot. 1, 2. Put a dot. 1, 2. And put a dot. Now, we are at 0. Let's go back to number 8 and count all the dots. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, and 4 dots. The answer in 8 divided by 2 is 4. Let's move on to the second example. 12 divided by 6 is equal to what number? We need to find the answer by using the number line. We will start at number 12 and count 6 numbers backwards until we get to 0. Each time we count 6 numbers, we will put a dot on the number line to show that we have counted 6. Let's start at 12 and count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put a dot. Now, we have reached 0. Let's go back to number 12 and count all the dots. 1 dot and 2 dots. The answer in 12 divided by 6 is 2. Did you get it? Let's move on to the third example. 6 divided by 3 is equal to what number? We need to find the answer by using the number line. We will start at number 6 and count 3 numbers backwards until we get to 0. Each time we count 3 numbers, we will put a dot on the number line to show that we have counted 3. Let's start at 6 and count backwards. 1, 2, 3, and put a dot. 1, 2, 3, and put a dot. Now, we have reached 0. Let's go back to number 6 and count all the dots. 1 dot and 2 dots. The answer in 6 divided by 3 is 2. Special facts about division. Special facts about division: when dividing something by 1, the answer will always be the original number. It means if the divisor is 1, the quotient will always be equal to the dividend. When the divisor is 0, the answer is always undefined. When the dividend is 0, the answer is always 0. The quotient in a division having the same dividend and divisor is always 1. Practice exercises. Get your pencil and paper. Try this on your own. Just pause the video to answer this. Try this on your own. Just pause the video to answer this. Very good.